Been looking forward to this one. 3 different layers, furniture is absolutely amazing. Cannot wait because the transformation is just going to be unreal. As I say, she's gone for all like the black furniture, but she's quite quirky with all like the different colours and stuff. And for us to get it back down from 3 layers to 2 layers and then open it all up, it's going to be just unreal. Look like you're actually listening to it. Look like a giant.
I don't know where to go.
Right, plan. This is all going to be 1 level, straight down to here. And then we're not going to have 2 steps, we're only going to have the 1 step. So this is going to be made to suit. And then all the pipework and the voids for the wet room tray can be underneath this floor. So we've got a massive void here to play with. Then this is going to be a shower and a wet room type of thing. Just 1 glass screen. Then we're going to have the 1400 bath. So basically this area is going to be the shower and the bath with just a little piece of glass over here. And then the towel rag can go up here. Okay, so once this is going to be the final level of the room. Going to take that out and it's going to come onto the landing. All this cupboard's going. Okay, so then this is just going to be flush. Dan's plastering all out of here and out here. The original door's getting kept so that it tallies up with the rest of the house. All the electrics and everything, Kev's going to be obviously sorting all the spotlights and the electrics, so just need to find out the final positions. For in the toilet area is obviously going to drop down again, so all this is just going to be 1 full area. Toilet's going to be backing onto this wall, basin's basically going to be in that cupboard once it's done. What else is it? The ceiling as well. The ceiling's going to all come down and be made to this level. Okay, so see this area? It's going to be...
Go down to 1.
Going to drop down. So this is going to be the final level. Bath. It's going to be a 1400. Tap coming out the wall. There's going to be a shelf built here to accommodate this pipework. Towel rad's going to go on here, and basically this whole area is just going to be tiled and open.
Okay, what we want.
What you wanted? Because was it you that was talking about like having a separate ambience light?
I mean, I need to discuss that with Chris.
Yeah, it's that one. Brilliant. The floor's going here. It's gonna have to get it up under there as well. Yeah, pass it. Ladder on. Don't want anyone breathing in asbestos. Oh, there's a sheet of it. Have you got the wooden floor one? Used properly. John is the pusher. What? One is the pusher. Got him. P, come on, we pushed it last time. Why? Oh, one kid. Oh, your end. There you are. If we can like, yeah.
Flat, that way.
No, I'd do it like that, you know.
What, so you can build it up?
So you can start building it up.
Carpet, trim on.
Yeah.
And when I fling, I'm the van 40.
So once that in there, it's brought down to that level. There's another bit of a void out underneath it. So once all the pipe work and everything's done, it should all be like...
Well, where's your step going to come from here?
From this, so this is going to be like the doorway, all boarded there, to up there probably. And then this is going to be the bathroom. It's a big one. been some unexpected challenges